Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a password protected folder. At least that's the way I do it. I'll start by making a folder. So right click, choose new folder. We'll just call this test. We'll call it password test. Okay, now let's grab some. I'll just take a couple pictures here that we've been using, and we'll move them into this. Now what you want to do is right click again to select it, or left click to select it, right click your mouse and send to compressed folder, and you'll see it'll make a new one right here. Now this compressed folder is exactly the same as this, except that it's compressed. So we want to double click this one, and we're going to go to File, Add Password, and I'll just use dog, I guess. I don't know, D-O-G, D-O-G. Okay. Okay. Now let's test and see how it works. Yep, see, we have to enter the password. Okay. Now, the obvious problem here is that this one here is just a duplicate of this. So if you really need to have this password protected so nobody can get into it, you need to delete this folder, put it in the recycle bin, and empty the recycle bin. Okay, that will get rid of it. It's not somebody who's, I'll tell you right now, like somebody who's really clever could, in theory, recover anything that's been deleted from the recycle bin, but it takes a lot to do it. But it's not impossible. So if you're worried about like the FBI looking through your files, forget it. They're going to find it. So, but this will keep the average snooper out. So double click it again, and like I said, there we go. And if you lose this password, you're out of luck. There's no way to recover it. You have to be like a cryptographer or somebody to figure it out. It's virtually impossible to hack into. So let's just delete it anyway, and that's the end of this video. Thanks.